Excuse me. The fuzzies, bro. Ooh, that hit different. At that fuzzies, bro, hits different. Shout out to the worker. He gave me a brick so I could charge my camera, bro. Yeah, I'm finna go to my boy's house. We gonna kick it for a minute. I'm gonna go check out his car. Super stoked. Bro, I need the green light, dude! What's up, dude? Are you ready, boys? Yo, bruh.
Yo, what's up?
Dude, I'm by your work truck.
Oh, you're up on the top level?
Yeah.
You gotta come back down.
Dude, okay. I will be, but I was looking for your car and then I didn't see it.
Yeah, no, they're moved. They're in a garage now.
Damn. Okay, wait, where do I go?
Garage is right here, so I got chairs out and holding everything.
Yo, okay. It might take me a second because low-key I don't get it, but I'm gonna figure it out. Bro, so I'm helping the homie with it. Bro, look at these wheels. Can we just like, man, but look at this. Look how wide this thing's gonna be, bro.
Yeah, show them on the other side.
Bro,
The inside over there.
I know, yeah. Let's get a better view of this right here. Do you see how fat that turbo is? Do you see that? Yeah, bro. Oh, look at the interior too, dude. Look at this. Bro, with the peanut butter guts? Bro, and it's an upgraded 5-speed, right?
Yeah.
Bro. Dude, imagine sitting right here and looking at this, and this is what you drive every day. Bro, hit the homie up.